Okay, the next material is about diphthongs. The example of the diphthongs words is hair, hair. So these are the the words, some kind of words which is matches with the words hair. For examples, peer, wear, swearing, pairing, very, dairy, very, staring, bear, prayer, caring, compare, precarious, flare. Once again, pair, wear, swearing, pairing, very, dairy, very, staring, bear, prayer, caring, compare, precarious, flare. And then the example of the phrases. First, see the town square over there. There's a great heart racer just by the stairs. Second, this area is known for its dairy fair. Third, Mary has various pairs of shoes, and still she swears she has nothing to wear. I'm sorry, once again. Mary has various pairs of shoes, and still she swears she has nothing to wear. So there are the example of the diphthongs, which is hair. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you.